The final keyword in exception handling allows you to define cleanup actions that should be executed regardless of whether an exception occurs or not. So for example, we can have our try except block, try, we can say print 1 plus cure, and I have my except block, print working. Now if I run this code, it's going to print working. But if I have a code here that works properly, it's going to print 1. That's how the try except block works normally. Now the finally keyword comes and says, okay, regardless of whether this prints or this prints, I want to return something after that. So for the finally keyword, you just come and put the keyword finally, and you're going to set print thanks. You see, so regardless of whether this works or this works, the final keyword executed after. So you see, working thanks, or it's either print 1 thanks. Okay. If you want my video on try and set method, just check below. So let's look at this quiz. It says h of -5, and if h less than 0, raise value error, h cannot be negative, print your h is h, and catch the exception. And now we have the finally keyword. So when you look at this, you see here that since the integer is -5, and it says if the integer is less than 0, which is correct, you raise the value error, h cannot be negative. And now, since we catch the value error here, we print the value error, e, and we have the finally keyword. So that's how the finally keyword works. No matter what's the outcome between the try and the except, we have the finally keyword. It delivers a final message to the user or to the system about where we're ending. So I hope you understood what the finally keyword is, and I hope you got the answer correct on the quiz. So we have 2 answers here, B and E. If we run our system, error, H cannot be negative, and thank you for using the H input system, B and E. Okay, thanks a lot. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll definitely answer it for you. Thanks.